我现在那你说的对了瓜呀，对，你看什么现在差不多的，点么多，这钱没行，狂啊地气的，狂啊慢车的，记到这了，我也松了一口气噻。进来，万宝路，落个巴儿嘛嘞，拧个巴儿嘞，落巴儿嘞，他就落是他这么多啊，拧出去都，看起，我好么说把它卡的巴里呢，培根。整体物价怎么样？其实长不些呢，整体物价是那来的哦。然卡达多年吧，重庆卡达多年吧，重庆几大多大一年乐普，可个大一面乐普。然上海的多那矿钱量，有了重庆新北大县都过来矿穷我的，矿穷就闲那会儿的。你家人在看你直播噻，然后呢，我家人不会看我直播，他说抖音我要买看需要的，啊。也说没，就算看又怎么样？那啥多呢？那啥多呢？矿钱要的，都过来矿钱要的。上海那矿历史前就是没到问题的，然后欧洲给重庆新北大多呢矿都过来穷我的，但欧洲后来那重庆矿穷水说起来的，别过来地轻没呗？操心太多了噻，你家人给都过来的，他们都是我家里人啊，他们都在看呀，他们都在看我直播呀，你能出点么多都不错。成都大都呢，都过来矿钱要的没打，成都大都多没，成都矿钱不得，成都连是来矿钱了，这哪大地或者忙去。근데 남시 근데 남시 야도 남시 안 한데 건도다 깊이 나도 근데 거의 北京大都呢，北京的矿钱要的，上海滩的大最简单的呢，物价矿脱手给重庆说起嘛的，上海大都上海的很多矿钱要的。有没有去过江苏噻？我去过南京。我还去过那个苏州。我南京中女，苏州中女，当然简单的我重庆忙起中女，重庆忙起我去几个队那中女没呗，对，你开始看不多，你在过家里付出了很大的功夫，但是你不管你做什么都要为家好好做人噻，让人看到你这样的事实呢。在国外留学，家里付出了很大的功夫，不要让家人担心你。不管你在做什么，都为家好好做人，让人看到你这样的事。然后是什么呀？我不知道你在说什么。有一说呀，我出国留学，我家里人不用付很大的功夫。有一说，如果我要把家里的底掏空，去外面留学的话，我根本不会来留学。你觉得我29岁能出来留学？你觉得是我拿个家给顶梁柱去了留学？你觉得我还会这样吗？我根本不会去，我直接会考公，我直接会找个国企上班。不要用你的方式来 PUA 我，你 P 不了我。你让现在刚节目去，其实你拿过来差不多得抢啊，去给单拿去给囤过了嘛的，开始囤过来，给说没呗？人民币10万能玩几天噻？你要来哪儿玩？你要来欧洲玩，还是在布达佩斯玩？布达佩斯你10万能玩好多，就是你都花不了10万，你我花了没呗？确实要嘛的，我当时要嘛的。当然，欧洲结合性别Swiss 瑞士的，他的 France 的吧，怕中间一拿，很多性别结合性别差不多吧，矿气0.7的矿气水或者摩纳哥，我都把怕中间一拿，等嘛的，你什么是那做的？然后那节目子年呢，呀，对吧？对，录中这个节目那个这个节目呢，拿了这些卡拉水，那其他人呢，那矿是啥种嘛的？我得说起来，对。法国、荷兰还有那些瑞士啊，那些就是消费比较高的那些地方，多 管局来的意思是啥？俺们去到县那没呗，让俺进去县那院打算的没？俺进去院嘛的，俺进去院那俺去地嘛的。俺谈到开始些不买不起，开始些那么生些地过来，我建议你中东啊，不过有那建议过吧，建议出钱的哒，起所以那些群群的嘛的，建议出钱去过吧。俺建议你民这一，现在俺建议中东，我底钱。这些叔叔阿姨这么晚了还不休息啥？去啥？去国外青训踢球学费贵不贵？这个我真的不知道，你问到我的盲区了，我不知道。俺那米这是盲区有点大。我读大概读的啥子？比利时怎么样？欧洲的，比利时欧洲的。要我的，俺的注意没得？比利时、德国的个啥么？找不着嘛的？今晚喝醉了，有点累啊，是呢？俺妈是呢，俺也提供到嘛。去国外留学的前提是什么？没有什么前提，但是有那个，但你说的是前提条件的应季密集，恰给你看参过来是哪？美国的，人家录中国的，录中应季。然后俺们的 France 的，那中间的法语要过的。哎呀，他的给可不行别的中间的那西班牙的这种的西班牙语。俺们的皮给没行不在起呢，也可皮给人逻辑推把讲过去的。我的人说的，逻辑我单的罗宾单的这都能那样，看我们的，就这样。但你啥干不记噻啦？来嘛来，大概皮给么子的，俺这去。中没啦，你说亲没呗？那俺咔嚓我的生意中没呗？叔来早点睡，本来年纪上去了就睡就说别人的小孩，别人的小孩少管啥，我那别人的小孩少管啥的，我听俺节目的说没呗，我那弥补过许多什么其实没呗。你又靠几级啊？看你自己啊。Yes， 下岗不来了噻。Yes。思源记录。行不啦？哦，下岗不年底那几月的，你可是什么差不多得白些没呗？对。但你第三都没戏，靠你俩吹车拖地啥，看不定那得有了。他吃路线那东，吃路的光给没，他吃路药去说。管，我那吃路的药吃的水的下来，这是没办的，我的手语。第三吧，你吃路的药。OK。OK，我那这一天的情绪价值数，这个肉干给的。行不啦？生化或者清没呗？妈，我也不知道你认不认识我不知道，俺好美。本来在收拾卫生前是啊，读到某些人的评论，忍不住想吐槽一下啥人家，叫嘛的，你这样来个气人家，俺得点不多。嘿，我也要吃肉了噻，下说。还是那公交。Yaxshi lesne gugori. Lesam shomari. Pölm shomari o lesam shomari lesne gugorta ine. 辣椒买了，明天去买肉干馋噻，可以。对。现在可是说了几个，来啥下岗不提啥，啥到巴拉来下岗不啥，专业不多啥其实。来啥他都不过空心小距离是吧？遇到不了空心下差不多，不过空心，压个空心。你送人家可都送家了个，一拳打呼你连连接不下。让拉炸子呗啥？天边上你看还红不多，俺拉炸鸡呢，还得那还红不多，那俺就拉几哈钱吧。让是呗，打好不说，天气干的命，让炸不命一那么的，打俺好不说，让给俺这个些让是呗，拉炸子打。到西，我到西看到那罗面。到你把连脚吧啊！有物无规律啥的。我的话英语的话，我的话噻。但可爱差了，到那边去，到时候去那边，我的话英语的话没问题，快大学毕业了，然后去下我的话英语的话，在我那会儿皮里米地没呗，大家个人没呗。来，开始看啦，那几个来做东西，学的我那样学的，看见了没？有无规律啊？大晚上吃有无规律呢？卡住了，没有规律啊，不会天天吃。你觉得我舍得霍下岗不天天吃吗？不舍得吧？开始噻没，看人家噻呗，肯定噻。你2天不去生没到问题是这里。平时跟外国人走还是中国人走啊？我朋友都是外国人，为什么我出国了还要跟中国人？一是我不会跟人走，俺明年多那抓点干没，但若不吐素情没呗，但我这个情也参不起给没的。就是俺没听到了，我那没去打别家就转正，俺去你们别这会儿家就中没打。这是咩？多一样面呢？就那不咋地，我那不咋地就是嘛，多长多看那啥情，多不咋地，你我们是你们多么土样子没的，我这。没记得别的或者那家就有没？里面做脚不就没做的，别家呀的，别你是吧的，你们多对对，别家就做没呗？哎呀，或者那这都对样做的，咱们都可能老在你们多钱的去有没些？问的就是哪个玩得好就跟谁去讨。问的就是你为什么不上清华北大啥？哇，那你为什么不上清华北大？这个问题你也问你自己，还是说你就是清华北大出来的？俺谈的，俺对你妈的出最民营北的俺还可以的，俺军委给的俺第四进俺学历干于亚运叫米的两啊的现南语。我觉得很有魅力，没白。当然，他的祛魅接下来，就是我现在就是什么人我都不会用他那个背景，觉得他好厉害呀。俺在找外面呢，看着背景，看着么，看着人家有么嘞，俺在找么接么嘞，俺看他没 top 大过，给们都生明白的。你妈也能看的是俺录重要我么啦，没可能录重要么嘞，看但录就是你是那是的，他的艰难给他录就是他学应试教育是没白，俺我了解嘛，我就不适合，我天生就不适合应试教育的咪，俺这连不好了嘛的，你真拿去呢，俺这不说 top 些录重要，不接家么都接亲没白，我得人俺录重要我嘛，俺的当然录重嘛的，哎呀，你录重教育教的，你两个我那会儿好牛逼啊，生没白白的会儿，我会大吹特吹，我那会儿人录单的现南语教都做，你就不两个祛魅亲没白，开始忙起录重要语那里面，绝不单的开行上开么多话生病呢，我同意，俺那祛魅亲，俺那 开老总我嘛大呀，可鸡托两啊几的皮的些，的是真的呢，我打找好多什么呗。我也是，我们年级一个项目真的很烦人噻。我两个们，高学历不代表情商高，会做事，懂人技术，护人票噻。Yes。我你妈连一弄或者博士生生的，这教这两个的教育，我那真觉得的现在我就审定的，但得给你涂鸦马上，那我那长马区没去打看他。看的是俺有嘛的，俺对云可能民的高看起来的有嘛的，科技云那么是俺高看清面。俺那一年等俺的洗不着，没看起俺的身边那等俺面有的皮个读啊什么对什么，要不就读什么的，俺你讨不这个下，俺去我的，俺就不觉得或者看咋人的清面，俺无图用呢。他的密码起来个绝本真没呗，我这。毕业的时候，我们3个一起出去。我在那个40岁大爷是不是供不起自己？还是一个劲的在攻击人家的女生噻？47岁的那个大爷，可以，哈哈，永生不老，不朽年龄是他别提啥。OK。多少的张主任在我楼下做听不了，这天边上的素油。我在吃午餐肉，哎，宁姐，午餐肉自己下用的嘛是啦，三姐。你妈这那个嘛的午餐肉的火腿肠，咱自己下卤的噻。下个我们可能有吧，2天呢。看啥团结新村边民酒站对面3的纪念园。你看，你说俺们那个姑舅，你说你看他吃一下，团结地址是吃，我节目。Лесне.行不啦？他喊你29岁的老阿姨噻，好幼稚的攻击话术噻。他这个对我攻击杀伤力0，而且我还会觉得他在夸我。看的是那年什么那有嘛的呗？阿家拉是那着，但罗肩部这一拿，我那会儿每次伢没有忙药的，米给大家统计的，肯定拖那药的。啊，年我那些那罗钱预备泡米药嘛的呗，来不来讲我的，生不来冲药的，肯定拖那边牙生的。啊你，这一拿啊，对俺7、8了，自己拿一打，对俺一打呀。俺摸了你呀，水我出俺摸了，但你破了个的，俺làm sao让俺变做的，好贵吧？而且摸了点水点配，你得清白人气息，我让来干包的气息的。摸成你的中没他那我那摸成你先拿出去。泡面啥的，每次看药嘛呗。可对真正忙水里的，摸拿起对没真正忙水里嘛？啊摸差不着，真正钱拿清没呗？看着摸看着钱的嘞，你摸那个谁，你摸那个谁了不着？你钱拿好累没呗？下个不收，下个大师呗，行不行？拿好多那个。只能看那种想去新西兰玩噻，可以啊。对不对？就是个大农村，如果你喜欢大农村的话，可以。那些比海外版藏语好听噻哦。但是我们这嘛呗。那些给嘞，那些给个样子叫的，你那些给，他那个做那些给的，五张给那的，看不给的，俺们对给的这个，我最开发做的可能是哪？那些给讲不起来那没呗。讲不起，你讲了，写死蛋的忙不起那没呗？哎，那你的你啊给我们的，你写死蛋的是来给我们的。哎呀，可是写啥这个要求是那个，到处让俺可出，新大就是可出提个经没呗？谁给来可出提个讲着？晚安主播是明天见上，明天有课上 ，OK，拜拜。 冰淇淋还吃吗？还想吃？这才给劲，你注意噻啊！肯定吧，肯定吧。都你谈的听到了第二大蛤蟆。汉堡蛤蟆是没呗？他在吃路地子许多，我就是你中毒。看直播没有忍住自己吃牛肉干啥？日，说去哪？去行不去去哪去？我来吃啥干没啥？我搞不起了。吃了大就不顶子些，你想你不在那底行不多？人家吃了脚那些谁的呢？要么吃了忙不起下蛋不谁呢？吃了的，吃了一笔就情了呗，吃了几钱？你下股子钱呢？对呀。你要多。我就去做其实广大去做，但广大啥小买的去做股市啥下，广大去做股市下，但你看不起谁啦？的不媒体让个的去的，你中马今天怕，你都能年轻，要么能俺脸上怕路，拍了怕见了怕路就是嘛年轻。广大，妹妹是不是林州的口音有点像啥？真的那个，几缸么呢？偏给他几缸，找不几缸么呢？偏给是那你这麻白哦。太香了。自己肚里啥叫嘛？我儿子真的带入异国恋了是呢？哈哈！偏不给你说那几的立几两这个，你这么最可怕立行吧？80是光的蛋的妻子给下属，哈哈。你真的大？去欧洲国家的话，签证大概需要多久噻？你这不知道，看你是什么签，看你是旅游签还是学习签还是工作签。玩的话，那是旅游签的话，就人旅过的呗，是呗，40天。你找不找面做生病？开始你俺的嘛嘞，学习签嘛嘞，录中签的嘛嘞，我录中签的那两个你们是不是先告诉？找不找去嘛？你们是不是这些？我在规定呢，哈哈哈！我儿子是看的，儿子属于不知道呗，我儿子是看的俺红说。一个异国恋韩国的和一个美国的啊 ，OK。我俩考过线那月的工作读错。但那几次长不线那打火过日子去那考过几月嘛的，我俩活的，我俩考过嘛的，1年月嘛的，让别的或者密的深度交流起来，灵魂或者契合差不线那去年那考过的，第没啥没考过的。第个呢，就是异国恋，第二考住没？俺问这人搞到人家咋，对没？应急密集，别的或者那么些拍剧，那是叫情没呗？这下是车啊，这没呗？第年搞到个点大，他的车西没呗？第嘛轮呐，俺的过得白了没呗？感觉听到了啊，这你准的声音哎！你如果心思给要线，那会儿对不对？我那会儿。 美女，我们这边正在睡觉时间，你那边是什么情况？我那边我现在是9点钟，故事嘛，干嘛读？他们还会说叫对方起床什么的，还是太难了噻。自己可不顶多你们妮子想的来行不行嘛？它的是那种脆桃，对不咯？但是这尿尿吃没呗？可止水蛮同样的。回国回拉萨的话，路费大概多少噻？那么就80呗。大家还话嘛的，开始个的况且对我们过冬子给冬子的钱，开始个的矿穷对的呀，我们出冬子钱给我这里多。俺忙前女的我们顶多也有是这里。公家路嘛，两个。已经算是很便宜的矿区居住的，他的是俺能住，就跟那宁波呀，那北京，马上俺北京不多皮个啦，北京那样转机桥了，北京那成都那天是什么呀？俺们北京那那三个都比你很少，能比你现在多，你现在多，转机天送真的巧嘛嘞，俺东北能住去最你去真的点嘛嘞，俺来现在多。我的儿子让我的刚来查路对人吧，我能住点最忙大去就刚来坑没呗，我的刚来查，刚来过，刚来年的这个事卡不住给不消。随便你行不啦？我那会儿，你可以帮我在国外找工作吗？啥不可以？因为我自己都找不到工作，哈哈。我不是找不到，我是没有找，但是一年还呼吁，去给，就是我自己人都很多人失业没呗，然后钱呢，我最少人这来那么呗。你吃的让我流口水了噻，我那行不行那多？你给他告诉那个多能给我买单，我那行不行那多？你看来的，看，天哪，为啥去抢多哎？我不是啦，看看交不了用这，别多人的需要嘛啦你。看，你也看在我那那不说去抢噻。这种啊，电脑不说几多，但电脑写不上通度的了，电脑了我写对不起那多。看呀，那除了那关于这嘛啥，这是钱拿不下噻。看是看的呢，阿里说起。那正是睡觉，这边正睡觉时间，你那边是早上北京还是你那边明天早上北京时间几点起床？正常情况下，正常情况下北京时间是5点钟起床。평소 취소俺不是断俺能够，俺취소地嘛呗，我住几是嘛呗，住你是嘛的俺也能够，但是你俺老是你这。有嘛的，数几年前吧，啊，天边哎，对木让给吃完别的或者地图，但是你那边，你的老挝汉族吗？藏族？老挝是啥嘞？老挝是啥说的？培根，是。但没得个鸟掉的皮，先吃不下。可以说中文吗？可能有一点不可以哦，就是我不太想说中文，就是我想说我自己的语言， 然后我可以随便切换什么语言，我都可以随便切换，但是我有点不想说中文，有问题吗？不可以噻，可是多花了连接不下，俺独生子嘛的，俺独生女嘛的。你抽这个什么？我抽这个是万宝路。哦，不是藏语。呀，老师读的爱死你了噻！但是那个没呗，现在这个吃一点嘛，他可能，但你妈突然打嘛呗，俺你喊他生气，突然忙不得给点没呗，他经常看清了。这他还过嘛，他看手里面还没过呢，但是点没呗，给他吃点没呗。俺突然那年嘞，明天多大的都有的，但哦，他的那给米价格就不让忙吃个，可能票个下面呢，的那的微语的面的多呀。你就微玩做的多，你今年他的企业个地是没呗 ，TikTok 上没呗，地那多嘞，企业给到弄不着，证明那做要的吧咪，西班牙语给没有的，法语给没有的，德语给没有的，以及给没有的，咱们主要吧咪，俺给嘛或者看嘛的，俺年和中文都，还是还过嘛的，那么啥嘛耍些没呗你，这个地那去让给的看来了呀，这么俺最上么看这什么那什么，俺喊的生意，看起来这是给出呢啊。我读有些人多大钱是钱啥？直接帮忙打广告怎么收费噻？打什么广告呀？肯定，可是让俺得谈点钱的，俺得弄俺钱通嘛的吧？加拿大俺得管你给长不小的吧？俺得结清没的嘞。可是让加拿我那要多呢，让俺我妈这那钱你让人家表姐叫我，俺得去读，工作订阅就是那不的，我那不的，得让俺我这样嘛的。我的钱等没呗？要能要我的，他的年轻当中年西面来的几要我的，年中国嘛，到看我这我嘛的得嘞，呀我那要人家的要的是那个没呗？哎呀，要没家人的去让给俺我这那年要都是那土司嘛是啊，我给买不起。第一次听到这种发音，好新奇啊，感觉跟小时候乱说一样噻。我觉得世界上有好多种语言，你知道吧？然后我现在说的是藏语里面的拉萨话，是一种语言，我们有自己的语言和自己的文字，这个你知道吧？所以我感觉，你觉得我在乱说，你有没有想过，是你的这个认知层面还没有到那种能接受别的那种语言的那种高度呢？是不是因为这个？你有没有考虑一下自己的原因？哎呀，86，你不要管人家是男的还是女的，你自己走吧。但你反正也听不懂，我还以为说的是匈牙利语哦，牛逼。就宣传发作，韩式自拍馆在拉萨撒，韩式自拍馆。在拉萨，哦，这样子，那我可能有点不行哦，可能有点不能帮你，因为我比如说我在拉萨的，我可以自己去拉萨，然后看了确实好的话，我可以推，但是这种事我没办法，就是亲身经历去看这个东西到底好不好，不是吗？没这种就划走呗，对啊。哦，大把广大人的个。呀，最用没呗？我现在送给我那儿子的，他都不中写我嘛啦，中写那我那送不写那会用吧？好的，啥？Let's。好，这个我给你科普一下，藏语还分类吗？有放对，因为西藏很大，我跟你说很大。然后我现在说的是拉萨话里面的卫藏话，就是拉萨话就是卫藏话，然后还有康巴话，还有安多话，还有山南话，还有日喀则话，有好多话。这个是我们藏语里面的方言。对没？你应得来老师对没？到我在刚刚就多你是紧张嘛？啥？这个你抓着这是啥？ 很大，是不是？这我在那对起啊，这么多火没对啊，对啊，这么啥？对啥对过？独家现在的那个没呗？哎呀，这没了啥的呀？那句说的是哪句话？藏语里面有哪句话？那句就是那句话，咋问的？还有什么青海话呀，还有什么国洛话呀，这些都有。但你唱没有可能赢没呗？哎呦喂，我们是米恰马多啊，米恰马啥？这个是不一样的人，好吧？你读错，但你要瓜子笑啦，七个瓜子的我呢，差点不的。我都年轻都记了个呗，对吧？电子的我最什么爆米花什么呗，或者爆米花吃过的不是俺们的有嘛的，俺是生意花这么多，遇到个爆米花就我那花的心不干净么多。正好扫个地就下班了噻，这次来捉起。但有些问题好奇葩，因为在见面了吧，我的。结束那边我巴黎要再热死了噻，好吧，我们这边没有那么热，就是还挺舒服的。前几天还挺热的，现在还挺舒服的。啊，你要瓜子啥数？啊，让瓜子啥数？怎么的哟嘛的？瓜子花什么土度？克拉哈的兴趣的哎，你那个匈牙利克拉哟嘛呗，兴趣的确的拍白苏的长脚觉得，我的信不信那的？应该穿哟嘛的嘞，我嘛的。Hello.
Wait.
Alright. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice. Okay. Did you text me? But like I didn't see my. Oh, okay. So I wanna let you know that yeah, I can make like, cause I was thinking, right? Okay, like okay, the tuber like that I sent you the picture, right? The first picture, the style is kind of like I don't know, like a Lhasa style. Okay, and the second picture is more like a Kamba style.
Yeah.
Right? And my friends went to the store and they say like if you wanna buy like they already made one, so like the picture that I sent you like is already there.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, so I was thinking like if you wanna buy like those kind of thing or you wanna make one like is suiting you like perfectly, because the thing is like, you know, the Kamba style is like losing type, you know, like you don't have to be so fit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so like I was thinking like if they have the Kamba style like which is already made, and I think you can just get one like that, you know.
Is it my size, you think?
Yeah, it is your size, but the thing is like, you know, the wunju inside the wunju, right? That one, I think I'm gonna get you one which is like really like perfectly fits you.
Because I'm looking at those two, right? You have the one with the red outside, like dark red, right? And the other one with the black outside.
You like that one?
I like both of them.
Okay.
Which one is better? What do you think? Huh?
I think the black one is nice.
Yeah, then I think the black one.
Right? But what about the yellow thing? Like, you know, like there.
Where? Which one?
The yellow thing, like you see the black one, the second picture, the black one.
Yeah.
Like the yellow thing, like they're like covering like the half, you know, like how. I don't even know like this better name, but like we call it I don't know, 林子林子 Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I don't know if you like that color, because I was thinking like this color is like super how can I say, it's more like it's most of the tuba is like this, so you know, like it's not nothing special.
Nothing special. I know.
Yeah. Right, so
Wrong, you know, so.
yeah, exactly. And I was thinking like you know the picture that I sent you last time, like this one, I think. Wait, let me show you. This one is, I think it's much better. It's like, you know, the color. Check this one.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Right. This is nice, right?
That's really what I want. It's perfect, actually.
Yeah. I like that one too. So I was thinking like if my friends go to the store again, can find like exactly like this, she will buy this thing, okay? But if she couldn't find the exactly same one, maybe she can like change the color of that one.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, we can definitely do that.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, then, and also like I have to tell you the details about the Wunju inside. You have to measuring your how can I say this, like
My titties.
huh?
My titties. I can measure my titties.
Your chest, you mean?
Yeah, I'm joking.
Okay, nice. No. You have to measure your hands, like your arm.
My hands.
Your arm.
My arms.
Yeah, your arms from like behind your neck. You see the bone, like your neck bone.
Yeah.
From there until your what does it called? Like the angle? No, not angle. Sorry.
I have no idea what it's called.
I'm crazy. Okay. Wait. I want to show you. I want to show you from my. Are you home right now?
Yeah.
Do you have the measure?
No.
So what is those size that you sent me last time? How did you send to me?
Magic. No, I have a measure somewhere, but now today measure. I cannot measure. Actually, I can, but probably after the call because I there's some other things that I must see. You know, as usual. Like, for example, I'm calling you right now because I just woke up. I finished work like at 5, right?
Okay.
I wanted to call you at 5, but sadly enough, I was so tired that I literally fell asleep just right after work.
Oh
right?
shit. Okay.
So when I was working from home today, that's the reason why, right? So then I woke up a second ago. That was really fucked up. Anyways, right now I'm gonna do the laundry. And when I'm done putting my clothes into the washer, then I'm gonna measure myself.
Okay. Like how long is gonna take?
How long is it gonna take? Fucking 5 minutes.
Okay. Because I was thinking like maybe like I can call you after, then we can have a video call and I can show you like how to measure. You know, like because I cannot.
Oh, no, but you say I get it, like from shoulder to shoulder, from behind your back, no?
No, it's not like that. It's like from your neck.
From my neck, shoulder, knees, and toes.
No,
Joking.
Huh?
I said I'm joking. But like from the neck to the. Wait, hold on. I think from the neck to the bone that is connecting your shoulders. No.
No. That's why I have to show you like how to measure.
Alright. That's.
So is that okay? Like I'm gonna call you after that if you're ready. Like I'm gonna have a video call with you and show you everything.
Are you busy right now? Or what?
Not really. So you wanna
Well, I thought you were gonna hang up then. If you're not busy, then there's no real point in hanging up.
Okay.
I can talk to you.
Alright. No, because I was thinking you are busy though, because you said like you wanna go to like do the laundry and stuff.
No, I'm not. I mean, yes, I gotta do the laundry, but I don't have to hang out.
Alright. Okay. Then I'm gonna wait you.
Besides as well, you know, like I can still ask like how you have been because it's been a long time, right?
Yeah, it is.
To be honest, you want me to be honest?
Yeah.
I genuinely thought you didn't want to talk to me.
No, why?
Because like, so to give you an idea, right? Like we were talking for the first week, right? And then it was like very much, right?
Yeah.
And like after I told you, you basically said nothing anymore. And like after that we were friends or whatever, right?
Yeah.
All of a sudden you came back out of nowhere talking about the chupa. I was like, oh.
Yeah, of course, because I promised you that I'm gonna bring chupa to you, right?
That's true, but still, I was like, oh, so we are friends? I was like so confused.
Of course. We just doesn't need to be like talking to each other like every day, cause like, yeah, cause you know, like I asked you a lot of things and you was like, I don't know. So I was like, okay, then I'm not gonna be like expecting your call like in the middle of the night, you know, this kind of thing.
Sorry, holy shit, my throat is fucked up. Anyways, yeah. What was I gonna say? I'm taking way too long to. I'm just quick. This much happening. But yeah, man, what have you been up to? What have you been doing today?
Actually, like, okay, these days I'm having like a lot of exam that is like final exam.
Yeah.
Yes, and I'm like studying. Well, I'm playing.
What do you mean playing, what?
Playing, like, you know, I like to play, you know, like I like have fun. I mean, like have fun.
Like what? Like have fun. You want to do it?
Have fun, like I go to club, I smoke, like I go out, like
you've
do
been
the
to
live
club?
stream.
You've been to the club?
Yeah, why not?
Well, I haven't been to the club for so long, man. Oh my god.
Bro, like I remember the last time, like before we had the conversation, I know you went to club. Is that club?
When?
Is that bar? Like, is a bar.
But that's not the club. I haven't gone out. And even the karaoke bar, I don't go to the karaoke bar that often. I don't know what you think, but like I don't really do that stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Yeah, okay. And I was planning to come to Amsterdam like maybe like 12th of the next month.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, because I'm gonna finish my last exam on 10th of June.
10th of June.
Yeah. So I might come there, but like I'm not sure yet, because like I'm still making your chuba and my friend's chuba, and as I have to look for someone who can like bring it to Europe, you know, I mean like to Budapest. So I have to like look for those kind of people. Yeah.
Either way, I'm gonna be in the Netherlands in June, so that's all good.
Okay. Yeah, we can like I'm gonna give you the chuba that time.
Alright.
If everything went as my plan, then I'm gonna give you.
Alright. And if it doesn't go to plan, then what are you gonna do?
I have to like wait few more days. Of course I'm gonna be there, but like I have to wait for a few more days because of that guy. Like I don't know, like I'm still looking for someone like who's coming from, you know, like coming back.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna look for the person. Like okay, if I wait like more than a week, still I couldn't find, and then like I don't have any way. Maybe I'm just gonna like come and then spend time with my I don't know, relatives or something, and then maybe next time when I come back again, I'm gonna bring it to you and to her. Yeah, that's the thing.
So when you here, you also like, let's say you don't have the chupa, right? Let's say you don't have the chupa and you come to the Netherlands and you go to Amsterdam.
No, I don't know yet. So
I'm there. Okay.
yeah, because right now, if okay, for example, if next week they start making it, it's just gonna take like 5 days. Okay, after 5 days they're gonna send it to China and they're gonna send it to me. So it's just like a real quick thing, you know. Yeah, so I was thinking like if everything goes as my plan, Yeah, I can bring it to you, but like that's the thing. Like what I cannot control.
What I'm asking is like, if the chupa is not made in time, but you still go to the Netherlands, you still go to Amsterdam.
Yes.
Are you only gonna see your relatives, or do you also wanna get a drink?
I want to see you, of course.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. Then I know. One thing though, when you're here,
Yeah.
do not put the camera on me.
Why is that?
Nuh-uh.
Why?
No.
Bro, like why is that? Like we didn't even like go to that point. Like why you are telling me this right now?
I know. I'm just saying. I'm very shy. I don't like camera and stuff.
But bro, like don't you remember last time you're the one who said like, oh yeah, we can make some contents, we can make some
I
like
know.
I can help you to do this, do that. Like cause that's I remember that's the first thing that I asked you. I said like, can you help me to do the vlog of like I'm teaching you that better? And you was like, yes, of course.
That is correct. But
Yeah.
I did change my mind.
Bro, that's crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna meet you. There's no any other like reason to meet you if you're not gonna do this thing with me.
Oh my god, you only use me for content.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just kidding.
No, I see how it is. Oh my god, you're so like content oriented. Oh
No. I'm just kidding.
It's fine. I'm kidding.
You are kidding, and you know I'm kidding, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, did you know something? Listen, I wear glasses now. So I got like glasses. By the way.
Hey.
Did you?
Hold on. Let me see.
Like a while ago.
Oh shit, my fucking. Okay. Bro, you doesn't look shy at all. What you doing there?
Like me, what?
What you doing there? You doesn't look shy at all. Like,
No, but I am.
nah, you're not. Damn, you're not shy at all.
I am. I was singing a Vietnamese song, by the way.
Oh, okay.
So, anyways, you want to see how the glasses look like, by the way?
Yeah, I wanna see.
Because I went to Italy, I had a lot of days from Italy, but where are the glasses?
Okay.
Here we go. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, I'll send you the picture now of me in the glasses. In my new glasses.
Okay.